Hi, in this video we will learn how to download the CPLEX Optimization Studio. We go to Google search engine and we type IBM ILOG CPLEX Optimization Studio download, then click enter. You will find this web page, enter it, then go to Get No Cost Academic Edition. It will open a new window. It will ask you to register now. We'll click register now, and for the registration we should use our academic institution email, so you need to type it here, then click submit. After that it will give you the name of your academic institution, so double check if it is correct or not. Choose your role, current degree that you hold, for example bachelor, and the suit degree. Expected graduation date, let's say 2023, and in June. Choose department, engineering, search for engineering, here we go. Enroll me in IBM badge program. This is a training and certification program. If you wish, you click yes. No, just choose no. Okay, and then you need to read the terms and accept them, the privacy also, and accept them, and finally you click register. Proceed. Thank you for registering. You are now being redirected to create IBM ID. So we need to create an IBM ID to use it for sign in later on. Write your name, your last name, and choose a password. Try to comply with the password requirement. Choose your country and then next. It will send a verification email to your institution email, so we will go and bring this 7-digit code from the email and come back here to this page. I received the code on my email, so I copy and paste this code, then we choose here by email and continue. Proceed, nothing to change here. We will wait to direct us. And here you go. You have academic account in IBM, and you can download the software from here. ILOG Optimization Studio, download. We will go down and select IBM ILOG CPLEX Optimization Studio for Windows, or it depends on your system. Then I agree and download now. it will start downloading the software in this file.